Grabovoi concentration exercises for the 7th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 7th day of the month, you should concentrate upon the farthest reaches of your consciousness. We actually do this in our daily lives when we look at distant clouds or distant objects, such as trees and their leaves. In order to materialize a particular object or implement any desired event, it is necessary to process a large amount of information. The farthest reaches of our consciousness produce the fastest processing of information. The more distant the reaches of consciousness you choose, the faster the information processing you will be able to achieve. The knowledge of these factors is used in this technique in the following way. You look at a cloud with your normal eyesight, or see the cloud with your mind's eye, and you simultaneously construct the desired event or sought-after result on this cloud, or alternatively, on a leaf if you're looking at a distant leaf on a tree. Through using the farthest reaches of your consciousness, you can quickly achieve the desired result, and the process of implementing the event will be harmonious, because the cloud cannot be an agent of destruction any more than the leaves can be. None of these objects of nature can cause anyone any harm, which allows the desired event to be realized in a harmonious manner. Exercise number 2 for the 7th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 4, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1. 9-digit sequence. 9, 9, 1, 8, 4, 3, 2, 8, 8. Exercise number 3 for the 7th day of the month. You can see that the world develops in your image, and according to the merit of your deeds and your interaction with God's will. You see that the world is a creation that everyone accepts, and when you want to change the world through your actions, your deeds should be intended for the general good, and then they will gain a foothold. Your health will improve, and the general good will be achieved. The general good is the deed of the world that leads you into God's kingdom, and to that state where you shall acquire a life, both universal and individual, eternally and forever.